It's time for the weather now with Lara Hyams, and the warmer weather doesn't seem to be subsiding, Lara.
That's right, Juanita. The Bureau released some of its latest climate data today. This is the outlook for spring, which is just 2 days away. This map shows the chance of exceeding maximum temperatures. This is in percentage terms. So the deeper shades of red indicate a higher likelihood, meaning that there will be warmer and dry conditions for the months ahead. And that could also mean an increase to fire risk. It was still quite clear today, though, through Sydney. We got to a top of 18 degrees. The minimum temperatures were very cool and well below average. Our lowest was recorded at Cooma with -11, Armidale recording -8 degrees as well. Now, in terms of rain, it was extremely light. Lord Howe Island recording 1 millimetre and only a few stations recording anything else, Cessnock recording 0.4. Our maximum temperatures across the state were above average, despite some of that heavy cloud cover. Smithville recorded the highest temperatures with 17 degrees, and some of those high temperatures were thanks to some northerly winds coming through. Around the nation today was cold in Canberra with -6, warmer in the east, moderate conditions in the west and warm for Darwin. On the satellite, there's still some upper-level cloud cover that is moving through, and this is linked to a cold front that's crossing South Australia and into western parts of New South Wales. Some thunderstorm activity is likely over South Australia, and in WA there's a trough, so that's producing some low to middle-level cloud over the southern parts. Some wet weather activity developing over the southern parts of Queensland. There is a trough that is moving east, so that's going to produce some showers and some possible storms down the coast. Now, the cold front in Tasmania will be followed by another one, so there is some rain that's associated with that. Some showers in the west and that dominant high pressure system for a lot of central parts of the country. Around the nation for tomorrow, some patchy falls along the southeast corridor, cloudy in Perth and in Darwin. And in the northern parts, there is some of that cloud cover, mainly in the upper levels, so that could bring some very light and patchy showers, but the maximum temperatures will be reaching the mid-20s. On the waters, a warning for strong and powerful surf and the swell reaching 2.5 to 3 metres. Moving south, very light patchy showers, if any, but there will be a chance of strong winds with temperatures reaching between 13 and 17. On the waters, a gale warning for Bateman's Coast, swells reaching 2.5 metres. In the interior, quite cloudy with a chance of showers. There could be a thunderstorm in the south and temperatures reaching to 22. And on Sydney waters, expect to see north to northeasterly winds reaching 20 knots. Light falls forecast around the state, daytime temperatures above average, a lot cooler in the mountains. Now, in the city tomorrow, we should get to a top of 21 degrees, but there is likely to be a frosty start to the day. And looking ahead, some cloudy conditions into the weekend. Those temperatures will be in the low 20s, but it should drop down as we get into Sunday, back into the mid-teens. And some of that rain that's forecast will begin to pick up on Monday and Tuesday, getting into the double digits before it will ease off later in the week. Juanita.
Thanks, Lara. Lee Sales is here now with 7:30.